Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Femke and today's video is a new nail polish of the week video in which I swatch and talk about one specific nail polish color. But first up, make sure that your nails are clean and we are going to apply a base coat first. This one is the 99% natural ingredient base coat, I have to say. It's just one of Catrice's new base coats, which I pretty much love. I use it in a ton of my videos and I pretty much use it every time I do my nails, whether I record it or not. It only has 3 natural ingredients, which I really love, and it dries pretty quickly as well. The only thing I have to mention, I don't feel like it protects my nail that well from staining, especially from staining of dark colors and stuff like that. But nonetheless, it's a really nice base coat. But the color I'm swatching today is by Catrice. It's number 96 and it's called Nap Green. Usually I'm not a big green fan, but this is one of those minty greens which I totally love, especially during spring and summertime. I just think it's really cute, and you could easily use this polish in winter as well to make like an icy green kind of design. So yeah, it's a pretty versatile polish and color. I pretty much love it. Here I'm applying the first coat already. I have to say it is still quite patchy with that first layer, so I think that it doesn't really matter how long or how short your nails are, you will definitely need a second layer, especially if you are like me and you work with thin layers, which is something that I would always suggest doing because thicker layers need more time to dry, and usually I just want to be quickly done with a manicure like this. It's just one color. You don't want to be sitting around for like an hour waiting for everything to be dry. So if you apply thin layers, you can just wait for like 3 to 5 minutes before going in with the next layer, and your manicure will be done and fully dry in no time. But this color is really, really nice. I think it's perfect for spring and summer, like I mentioned a little earlier. And yeah, it's just a really nice creamy polish. Catrice Cosmetics is completely vegan. They don't test on animals, they're cruelty free and all that jazz. And they also don't contain any microplastics, which is something that I really applaud for as well. And next to that, Catrice is just really affordable, have great quality products. Not only nail polishes, like the entire cosmetic brand is just really nice and quite affordable. I can always get it at my local drugstore, whether it's like the literal store or the online store. It can sometimes be a little bit hard to get Catrice worldwide, but I have seen it in Asia, I've seen it in America. I know that it is throughout mostly Europe. So yeah, if you want to order it or get it yourself but you don't know where, just contact Catrice on Instagram and ask if they have a store or anything like that near where you live. You can always just ask them a question, like it doesn't cost anything to ask someone a question, you know? And of course, you can always ask me questions as well down below in the comments or at Instagram. I try to reply to you as soon as possible. So yeah, how much are these polishes? I think that the base coat that I used was like €3.59 in euros. This polish is only €2.99, so that is like such a budget-proof, like amount of money for a nail polish. These nail polishes, I guess, are about 11 milliliters, or you get like 11 milliliters in a bottle. And yeah, that is a really, really good price. But back to the polish, because here you can see me apply the second layer, and as you can see as well, the polish is completely opaque in just 2 coats. Oh, by the way, the top coat that I'm going to use, I will show you that in a little minute, is one by Catrice as well, and that one was about $3.59 as well. So there you go, you have all the prices of all the products. Of course, prices may vary depending where you live. It really depends on the country, because I know like Germany, my neighbor country, is a little bit less expensive than we here in the Netherlands, but it's only like 10 cents or something like that. So prices may vary where you live. But next up is the layer of top coat. Of course, make sure that your manicure is fully dry, or at least like 90% dry. I'd say wait for 3 to 5 minutes if you have used thin layers on your nails. But this is the Catrice Sleep Proof top coat, and it prevents your manicure from getting all wrinkled and dense whenever you do your nails at night. Sometimes, especially with like thicker creamy polishes, your nail polish has a long period of time, or needs a long period of time to be completely dry. Especially this one. You can see here on the brush of the top coat, there's actually a lot of pigment coming off of the nails, even though I waited for like 5 minutes at least for my second layer to be completely dry. Something you can do to prevent your top coat from getting all muddy and discolored because of that is just to wipe off the brush on a lint-free wipe or even a kitchen towel, just to make sure there isn't any pigment like contaminating the bottle. So that is just a little quick tip I want to give you in between. But yeah, just make sure to add a nice layer of top coat, capping off the edges as well. I always do so with the base coat and one of the colored layers too. That's just to make sure that your manicure lasts a longer period of time and you have less chip wear or tip wear, I have to say, and chipping. So yeah, this was already my new nail polish of the week color. Do let me know what you think about this color. I think it's really cute for spring and summer, even though I don't like greens that much and I don't wear them that often. This is definitely a color you can just wear on the nails like I did right here, or use it for nail art or something like that. I think it's just a really cute color. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you're all staying safe and sound. I'm thinking about you guys, and yeah, I hope to see you in my next video.